Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and this is our Pro Universal Pinning Kit. Now, if you're not too familiar with either universal pinning kits or even universal lock pins, in the description below, I'll put a link to a video I made on the history of the universal lock pins and kind of the good, the bad, and the ugly as far as the differences between universal pins and the standard OEM pins. Now, as far as this pinning kit goes, as you can see, it has a nice handle on it here, so you can easily carry it around like a briefcase if you need to. On the sides here, it does have little spots where you can mount this pinning kit down to a table, which is great in like your work van. And on the top here, you'll see, or on the front here, you'll see these two clamps that hold it secure. You know, one of the last things you want to happen is to not have a tight lid on here for all the pins to be swishing around and getting mixed up. So let me go ahead and let's open it up and let's take a look on the inside. All right, now as you can see, this is the 3,000ths version of this pinning kit. We also make a 5,000ths version of it. And like I said just a few moments ago, if you're unfamiliar about the differences between a 3,000ths and a 5,000ths pinning kit compared to like an OEM pinning kit, well, go to the description below this video and watch the video I made on the differences. It'll be really helpful. Now, as far as this pinning kit goes here, as you can see, they're all color-coded. All the pins are color-coded. They're all brass. And there's going to be 75 pieces of each size. So each one of these spots you see here, there's going to be 75 pins in it. Now, up top here, you're going to see 11 different manufacturer pinning charts, including, you know, Sargent, Weiser, Kwikset, Schlage, Yale, Arrow, and so on and so forth. Now, this is what really makes the universal pinning kit a game changer compared to the brand-specific pinning kits, because each one of these charts represents an actual pinning kit. So there'd be a stack of 11 different pinning kits sitting here just representing what this one universal pinning kit can do. Now, it's going to come with 55 different sizes of master/top pins, starting at a 0.010 going all the way up to a 0.200. And it's going to have 69 different sizes of bottom pins, starting at a 0.156 and going all the way up to a 0.360. Now, the thing I love most about the universal pinning kit is it's a one-time investment. This thing is built to last as long as you plan to pin up locks. It's not going to age, it's not going to break, it's going to last as long as you need it to. And with the universal lock pins being the least expensive lock pin out there, you're also going to be keying up locks using the most cost-effective solution for that. So this is the Pro Universal Pinning Kit. This one's the 3,000ths. We also have the 5,000ths. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.